a motorcycle just passed by us and it was running fastly or quickly. So if you want to say fast in Thai, it's leo. And in Esan, it's tuat, tuat, tuat. Okay. Alright, so if you want to say the car runs very fast, you could say รถวิ่งเร็วมาก While in Esan, they say รถจวดไหลเดอร์ Okay, รถจวดไหลเดอร์ Alright, now if you want to say he drives very fast, you could say คุณขับรถเร็วมาก That's in Thai. While in Esan, they say ขับรถจวดไหล or ขับรถจวดไหลเดอร์ Alright, anyway, I hope you have a good day. Bye, thank you.